Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Capgemini has taken that 45,000 hiring very seriously. And today again Capgemini has posted another hiring network engineer, and this hiring is also through the Superset platform of campus 2025 batch, and you will be able to apply till 18th of August 2025. Friends, I request all of you, please do subscribe this YouTube channel. See, once you get a job, my dear friends, you unsubscribe or do whatever you want. Right now you need a job and let us help here, so please do subscribe. Okay, so here also yesterday we had put one hiring that was for Capgemini Exceller hiring. It was a different hiring, and today's hiring is definitely a new hiring. So Capgemini Network Engineer Gurgaon off campus 2025. So the salary package offered here is 4.25 lakhs per annum, so 4 LPA in your pocket and 25,000 also in your pocket only, but in terms of incentive. Okay, so candidates must have an active DigiLocker account and active mobile number linked with their Aadhaar number. So role is network engineer. Thus position is open for Gurgaon location only. As part of our diversity and inclusion effort, we are particularly encouraging application from female candidate for this position, but it's not like male candidate cannot apply. You also apply. And friends, in Superset, if you're going to apply for Capgemini, they might restrict you to one application, so that also you need to check. You cannot apply for everything. See, educational branch, BE, Btech, BE, CS, IT, circuital branches only. So if you talk about CS, computer science, IT, circuital branches in there, electrical, electronics, all this will come in picture, and MCA. So freshers 2025 pass out only, location is Gurgaon. So for girls, bhaiya maje hi maje hain. So there is no doubt at all, because right now they are mainly looking for the diversity gap. So it's not like they will not hire male, but again, like Accenture, they will hire more girls and less boys. So chalo bhai. So here, no, you have to put a lot of effort and get a job as soon as possible. Okay, so if you have CCNA certification, well and good, otherwise no problem. So in 2025 batch, no one will be having CCNA certificate, so don't worry about it. I mean, one or two. Excellent communication skill like me. I know. So you have at least better communication than me. So both verbal and written. Okay, candidates should be ready to work in early morning, evening and night. अरे करेंगे भाई, दिन रात 24/7 365 days. I will work. If it is a leap year, 366 दिन काम करेंगे. जॉब दो पहले. Don't talk anything else. No general shift day. Candidates should be ready to work from Gurgaon. Gurgaon, under the earth. ऊपर जाके काम करना है, करेंगे. Okay. So please note, only shortlisted candidates will be. Oh, from when even the candidate is not shortlisted is able to get into Capgemini? Arey bhai, it's very obvious that shortlisted candidate will be only invited for the virtual evaluation process. So comprising of online assessment and interviews. We request the candidate to make necessary infrastructure arrangement, voice and video enabled laptop, desktop, stable internet connection. Okay, so this is the current hiring. And if you want to apply, bhaiya, click karo apply now pe, then you will be going to the Superset account. You have to put your email ID and the further details, and then you will be able to apply for such a huge big company, Capgemini. Once again, friends, I would request you to please do subscribe, because these are the opportunity, especially for the female employee. My request is channel ko subscribe karke rakho. Capgemini will hire more and more. 45,000 means they have taken it seriously. Karo, hire karo yaar. Day, night, subah, sham, hire karo bas. So this channel is definitely going to help you. That's all I wanted to tell you. Take care. Bye bye. We'll meet soon in the next video, or when.